So modifying a game in Pygame, if we start with this one, um, obviously the rules of the game are pretty simple. I can fly this plane around. It can move in four directions, and it has to avoid being hit by these little rockets that come from the right side of the screen and fly off to the left-hand side of the screen. If you hit a rocket, you die. Every time a rocket passes you and goes off the screen, you get a point. And that's sort of it. The game gets progressively harder as your score goes up, but that's kind of the game. So in terms of modifying this game, I took my little sketchbook and I said, well, what's a game that uses that same kind of model but sort of changes a few of the rules? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change it to a game where we have a player that can move left and right on the bottom of the screen. They can't move up or any other dimension, so they move left and right. And instead of trying to avoid things that fall from the top, they're actually going to try and catch things. So they could catch the thing, they get a point, and if they miss it, then the game is over. So I'm just sort of taking some of these rules and just reversing them and giving it some new graphics. And then we have something that, at least at a surface level, is a completely different game. So here are the graphics that I picked for my game. I'm going to use a background graphic that looks like a little city with a street. I'm going to put the little skateboard guy on the street going back and forth, and he's going to catch various fast food items that fall from the sky. So same game, or same model, different game.